Hey everybody, it's me Joe, and I want to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you 8 common questions and different responses that you could use to answer those questions. These are all common questions that you can hear in everyday conversation and good responses. But also, inside those good responses, I'm going to hide a bad response, and I want to see if you can find it. All right? Also, if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. My name is Joe. I teach English to foreign students at a university in Canada. If you're interested in improving your English and learning more vocabulary, getting better at speaking and things like that, you should subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell down below. That's very important because when I upload a new video, or if I have a live online lesson, you'll be notified and you can come and hang out with me and learn English. Isn't that great? All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you a question, a very common question, and then I'm going to give you a number of responses. Inside those responses, many of them will be right and one of them will be incorrect. I want you to try and find out which one is the wrong one, okay? And at the end, I will tell you which one's wrong, okay? Here we go. Question number 1. What do you do? What do you do? So, I'm a student at university. I'm unemployed at the moment. I didn't do it. I work for an advertising company. I run my own dry cleaning business. Okay? So those were 5 answers. Did you hear which one is the wrong one? The wrong one would be, I didn't do it. So when you ask somebody, what do you do? It means, what is your job? What do you do for a living? And the answer, I didn't do it, doesn't match at all. We would say, I didn't do it if you say, hey, did you do that? Did you break this? No, I didn't do it. All right? So that's number 1. Let's go on to number 2. The second question is, are you married? Are you married? Now here are, what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 6 answers. Which one is the wrong one? Yes, I've been married for 10 years. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. No, I'm divorced. Yes, I will marry you. No, but I'm in a relationship. All right, so those are the 6 responses. Which one's wrong? Yes, I will marry you. That is not the right one. That one is incorrect. So the question was, are you married? That means, do you have a husband or wife right now? And the answer, yes, I will marry you. That's wrong. That doesn't match. Are you married? Yes, I will marry you is a good answer for, will you marry me? Okay? Let's go on to number 3. Number 3 is, what do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? And we've got 4 answers here. 3 are right and 1 is wrong. I like to go to the gym. I charge $100 per hour for my time. I usually get together with friends. I don't have much free time. All right? So which one of those is wrong? The wrong one was, I charge $100 per hour for my time. Okay? That doesn't match the question. The question was, what do you do in your free time? So when you're not working and you have nothing else to do, what do you like to do? So this answer, I charge $100 per hour for my time, that's a good answer to how much do you charge, or how much do you charge for your time? Okay? Let's go on to number 4. Question under 4 is, how's it going? How's it going? And there's 5 answers here. Which one is wrong? Pretty good. I can't complain. I'm going tomorrow. Great. I'm living the dream. Do you really want to know? So of those 5 responses, which one was wrong? The wrong one is, I'm going tomorrow. All right? So when you ask, how's it going? That means, how is your life? Is everything okay right now? Okay? Something like that. The answer, I'm going tomorrow, doesn't match. We'd say, I'm going tomorrow to a question like, when are you going? Or when are you leaving? All right? Let's go on to number 5. Number 5 is, how are you feeling? And this question has 4 responses. 3 of them are right, 1 of them is wrong. See if you can find the wrong one. So, how are you feeling? How are you feeling? No, don't touch me. Great, never better. Not great. I'm all right. So which one of those answers is wrong? No, don't touch me. All right? So the question was, how are you feeling? That means, like, are you okay? Do you feel okay? Right? Maybe asking about your health. So the answer, no, don't touch me, means they don't want you to put your hands on me. So that might be an answer to, do you want me to help you? Do you want me to take your hand? Something like that. No, don't touch me. So number 6, this one has 5 responses. And the question is, how was your day? How was your day? So, here are the answers. Which one is wrong? Really good. Very productive. A total disaster. Yes, it is Monday. And pretty uneventful. Okay? So which one of those is the wrong one? The wrong one was, yes, it is Monday. So the question was, how was your day? Means maybe you just finished work and somebody is talking to you and saying, hey, how did your day go? Did you have a good day? All right? But if you answer, yes, it is Monday, they don't match. Yes, it is Monday is a good answer for the question, is it Monday? All right? Let's go on to number 7. And there's 5 responses here, 4 of them right, 1 of them wrong. Can you find it? Here's the question. Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand? Here's the answers. I don't have any gloves. Of course. Sorry, I can't right now. I'd be glad to. Sure, just a second. So of those 5 responses, which one do you think is the wrong one? The wrong one was, I don't have any gloves. All right? So the question was, can you give me a hand? That means, can you help me? Can you help me do something? All right? And the answer, I don't have any gloves, doesn't match that. So we would say, I don't have any gloves if somebody said, do you have any gloves? Or can you give me some gloves? Okay? All right, here is number 8, the last common question. And there are 5 responses here. Which one's wrong? Here we go. What have you been up to lately? What have you been up to lately? And here's our answers. Planning my vacation to Europe. I've been studying hard. Nothing much. I've just been taking it easy. I got up at 7 a.m. So which one is the wrong answer? The wrong response was, I got up at 7 a.m. The question was, what have you been up to lately? All right, so that means in recent days, maybe the last few times or since I saw you last, what have you been doing? What has kept you busy recently? Okay? So the answer, I got up at 7 a.m. doesn't match that. Okay? So I got up at 7 a.m. would be a good response to, what time did you get up today? All right? All right. So those are all the responses, good responses and some bad ones, I hope you caught them, to 8 common conversational questions. If you can think of any other responses to those questions, write them in the comments below and I'll check them and I'll write back to you. Also, if you can think of any other common conversational questions, write them down and I'll check them too and I'll write back. Also, remember to check in the notes because I put lots of links to more learning opportunities in the notes. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. And until next time, bye-bye.